Hi, my name is Dustin. Welcome to Latitude Margaritaville. I'm going to take you on a tour of the Trinidad Bay. In a home that's got so many great features, probably the best one is the great room. Let me show you why. As you can see, we've got a lot of wide open space in this room. I've seen many people use this as it's set up in the model with the dining area here. However, this is a very versatile room, and I've seen customers put the dining area over there in that section, use this for entertaining purposes or for visiting purposes, the kitchen cabinetry. And then one unique thing about this home is the walk-in pantry. Not all of our floor plans have it, so it makes this one kind of unique. All right, I know laundry isn't everybody's favorite thing to do. However, in this home, we've got a laundry room that makes it much more enjoyable. Let me show you why. As you can see, we've got lots of counter space here for folding your laundry. We've got storage space with the upper cabinets and the base cabinets. And then we've got a really deep sink for all of your laundry needs. Thank you so much for coming along on the tour of the Trinidad Bay with me. If you'd like to see the whole floor plan, come out and join us or go to our website at latitudemargaritaville.com.